All right, on to the second part of circles. Okay, so circles, we were talking about your basic form, x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals radius squared. That's my standard form. Sometimes it's going to give me something kind of crazy, okay? And I need to make sure that I can put it in this form, okay? So let me give you an example of something that you might see, okay? Let's see what I can remember. Let's say I have x squared plus 10x plus y squared minus 4x minus 10 equals 0. Okay, now if you notice, that looks really different, doesn't it? Doesn't look anything like the thing at the top. So let me show you a little shortcut, a way to do this, to make this look like this, okay? So I'm going to take and separate these a little bit. Okay, oops, I'm sorry. I meant to make that a Y, not an X. Sorry, that was my fault. Okay, so let's focus just on this one first. X squared plus 10x. Now, some of you might remember completing the square, but I'm just going to show you real quick. All I have to do is take the number in front of x, 10, and divide it by 2. If I divide it by 2, that's 5, right? Okay. So, and then if I square it, it becomes 25. So I'm going to add 25 to this right here. Everybody okay with that part? Okay. I know I'm adding more stuff. Now, if I add 25 here, I have to add 25 to the other side, right? Okay. Because otherwise that's an issue. All right. Now let's look at this here. Same thing. I'm going to take negative 4 and I'm going to divide it by 2. Which is negative 2, and negative 2 squared is 4. So now I'm going to say y squared minus 4y, and I'm going to say plus 4, right? Because I just squared it, or divided and squared it. So that tells me I got to add 4. If I add 4 here, though, I got to add 4 here, okay? Now, the only other thing I have to add, I got to move this to the other side. So now that becomes a plus 10. Okay, so now I have 25 plus 4 is 29, plus 10 is 39. So I got 39 on the other side. Now, this is going to look weird. X squared plus 10x plus 25, and y squared, plus something in there, minus 4y plus 4. Now, let's focus on this one now. This here, all I have to do, remember how I did 10 divided by 2 was 5? So now this is going to become x plus 5 squared. Okay? And then over here, when I did negative 4 divided by 2, that was negative 2. So now I'm going to have y minus 2 squared. Now see how it looks? X plus y, or x plus 5 squared, plus y minus 2 squared equals 39. So now I know my center is negative 5, 2, and my radius is the square root of 39. I know that was a lot to take in. These are the hardest ones on there. So you may have to rewatch this video a few times, and I may have to do another duplicate to this just to kind of help you out. I know it's a lot to take in. Please let me know what questions you have. Always, always, always email or through Google Classroom. I'm always available. I'm checking throughout the day and into the evening. There's times I'm up till 10:30, 11 o'clock at night. So don't feel that you're bothering me at all. I'm here for you, okay? All right, I hope this was helpful, and take it all in, take notes, and ask questions.